This is the video for Module 21, Timber Piles with a Timber Deck. Open pile wharves are structures where timber, steel, or concrete piles are used to support a deck assembly. Pile tips are set below the harbor bottom. Vertical piles serve to carry gravity loads. Batter or inclined piles provide lateral stability from applied horizontal loads. Composite decks consist of a concrete topping surface layer placed over laminated timber elements. Damage and deterioration to these wharves can be caused by fungal decay, insects, vessel impacts on fender piles, abrasion on timber pile fenders, ice impacts and abrasion on the piles, the settlement of piles, excessive material or vehicular loads on the deck surface. In this photo, there is a misalignment of the wharf face. Here you can see a rot in the timber pile. This has been caused by abrasion, which has removed protection coating and allowed moisture penetration. Here there's abrasion damage on a float pile. This deck has a broken and missing timber wheel guard. In this photo, there are damaged and deteriorated deck boards. In these photos, vegetation is causing deterioration of the timber elements of the structure. The following components should be inspected during operational visual inspections of timber piles and timber decks: the interface connection between the structure and the shore, the expansion and/or construction joints, the vertical piles and the batter piles, pile caps and bracing, water supply lines, deck surfaces, mooring cleats and mooring rings, wheel guards, electrical supply lines, hoists and davits, ladders, chains and wire ropes. Identifying potential problems. To identify if you have a sudden dip or depression in the deck surface, look for broken deck planks or a grade difference between adjacent deck planks. If you find damage to vertical fender elements, batter piles, bracing elements, mooring cleats, wheel guards, or ladders, there could be a number of different problems. Please consult the maintenance manual to identify the problem accurately. What you do depends on the severity of the damage. Except in the case of minor damage, you should close and barricade the section of the structure affected and immediately notify your small craft harvest contact. You should also identify, photograph, and map the problem. In cases of minor damage, repair the localized damage with materials of equal quality and dimensions, if agreed to by Small Craft Harbor staff. Proper maintenance is essential to preserving the life of the harbor. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules and watch the maintenance film. This is the end of Module 21, Timber Piles with Timber Deck. For more information, please consult the inspection and maintenance modules.